hazard. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
My app was slow this time.
Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, York, Weigelstown, Columbia, Millersville, Willow Street, Redland, Spry, Dallastown, Shiloh, East York, and Stony Brook, Wilshire. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 14 to 25. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. And may lead to flash flooded roadways. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Storm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and York. The National Weather Service in State College has issued a flash flood warning for
Eastern Daylight Time is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This includes thunderstorms from mile markers. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.